I'm back. These, I think, are lace agate. I found them in my stash too. I've been going through my stash and I found some seed beads. I'm going to make some earrings today. We'll make 2 pair. I'm going to use a seed bead to try to make sure that my beads don't fall off the end of this head pin, because some of my head pins, the head on it is a little bit too small for some of these drill holes. And I've already broke one seed bead, so I'm going to put a seed bead on each end. That way it looks balanced. And since I've already broke one seed bead, we are just going to use these. We're not going to cut anything. Well, we might as well cut the end off. Let's cut the end off. Leave about a 1/2 inch. And then we're going to just roll it down. And roll it beside the next wire that goes. Just roll it down. And there. That way you don't stand a chance of breaking that seed bead, because they're a little fragile. Let's do the next one. Seed bead, Swarovski crystal, lace agate. Not much lace in it, but it's probably why I had it. It's probably one that I didn't use a long time ago. But it'll make a pretty earring. Alright, we want to leave about a 1/2 inch. We want to cut. Hold everything. And cut it. And we're just going to roll it down. And let it roll beside of the last round that you made. And straighten it up a little bit. There. Now, hang it on with the more round part, you know, towards the back. If it'll cooperate. That bead gets in the way. Well, I guess that's to the side. Never mind. Just hang it like that. And I think that we're going to turn this, the whole thing. Hopefully we don't break it. That way it'll hang right. There. That way it looks right. You don't see that eye. See, if it's hanging to the side, that's all you're going to see is that hole. And I want it hanging that way. So I'll get it on Thought it was open. Maybe not open far enough. Get it on the ear wire. Close it up, close it up, and take the whole thing, and where's the front? There. Take the whole thing and turn it. Well, you're gonna see one hole or the other, but that's only one ring. This one is two. So I don't know. We'll leave it like that. I've got some more ceramic beads. These two are ceramic. And then, I'm not sure what these are, or that one. They're gemstones, but I'm not sure, and that's a little Swarovski. So we're going to put one of these on. The little triangle piece. The round, say 6mm bead. We're going to go for the little barrel bead. Next, I'm going to put one of these little saucer-shaped beads on. And a Swarovski. And those fireworks that I'm hearing they were behind the house, so you couldn't see nothing. We used to have neighbors in front of us that would shoot off fireworks, but they moved. We've got so many trees around us we can't see. That's what it's going to look like. And I don't need those two. I thought I did, but I don't. Oh, wrong tool. Around those pliers. And we're going to do it the same way as we just did. Wrap it around. And this one I'm going to have to cut. Twist it. Make sure it's closed. That one's done. And I think I'm going to twist those other ones back because I don't know how else to do them. That's going to show, but I guess one hole is going to show, or the other one. And it won't look right with the ear wires turned that way. I don't think they'll hang right either. We're turning them back. that too much and you'll break them. There we go. Little seed beads. There's 2 sets of earrings. I sort of like both of them. That's different. But I like blue. So, thanks for watching. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. And we'll catch you on the next one. Take care and bye-bye.